I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a DIY rose whipped soap. This formula is super easy. We're only using 5 ingredients to make this very creamy, bubbly, foamy goodness, okay? So I chose rose because nothing screams Valentine's Day like roses. So this would be the perfect easy gift idea for your significant other or loved one. Let's jump right into the video today. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Thank you Skillshare for partnering with me to bring you guys this awesome video. As far as being creative, whipped soap is so much fun. You can play around with it with colors, you can add sugars to make scrubs. The possibilities are truly endless. Today, I'm using just the basic ingredients just to give it a pop of color, but still satisfy the creativity that's in most of us who enjoy DIY. So if you enjoy a really simple, easy, fun, colorful DIY, this whipped soap is perfect for you. Today's DIY rose whipped soap only has 5 ingredients, super simple and easy. First ingredient responsible for the foaming and bubbly goodness is the foaming bath base. Now you can get this pre-made or you can make it yourself. Depending on your supplier, your base may be thicker or silkier and creamier. You may have to add some thickeners and other things to get it to fluff up the way you want. It just depends on what you're looking for. However, in most cases, when you have your pre-made foaming bath whip, all you have to do is whip it up. That's it, and you're gonna get this creamy, fluffy soap that's just so wonderful to play around with, and it makes the perfect base for any whipped soap, scrub, sometimes even facial mask. So yeah, I really love playing around with whipped soap. It's a really great ingredient to be creative with. In most cases, whipped soap can be used as is, but if you like to add a little extra personality to it to make it your own, you can add oils, extracts, and other things to it to just give it a little more of a pop and some more fun. I'm adding sweet almond oil, very simple basic oil to give some emolliency and some skin softening properties. You definitely don't have to add this. Also, you want to be careful when adding oils. It can reduce the foaming of this whipped soap, okay? I would also avoid extremely expensive ingredients because this is going to be washed down the drain. We are already on our third ingredient, which is simply a fragrance or essential oil to give your whipped soap that beautiful aroma when taking a shower or bath. That is literally the best part and gives your whipped soap its identity. I'm using Rose Odo. It has a very sweet floral smell, perfect for this rose whipped soap. The fourth ingredient is mandatory. You need a preservative anytime you're using anything that's going to be introduced to water. Our whipped soaps and sugar scrubs and things of that nature are always used in the shower, in the bath, or at the sink. So we need a preservative and to make sure that we don't have any nasties, mold, and other nasty stuff growing in our favorite DIYs, okay? So keep that in mind and always use a preservative. You can find some that are considered slightly natural, but there's really no preservative out there that is exactly natural, okay? Now for the fun part, the thing that really draws us in is that pop of color. So I'm just gonna split this mixture in half and I'm gonna leave one side plain white and the other side I'm going to give this beautiful color. I got this from Brambleberry. It's a rose gold mica and I love it so much. Micas are really fun to play around with whipped soap because you can be really creative and add as much as you like. And in most cases, it takes really well with the whipped soap and then it's going to get washed down the drain anyway. So colorants are really fun to play around with rinsed off products or DIYs. With whipped soap, you can also use water-based colorants and some food colorants as well. You don't have to only stick to mica, okay? When using micas, it's so important to know your supplier so you can know that you're using this product in good conscience. There are a lot of suppliers out there that will provide you mica. Some of it is synthetic, some of it is not, but you make sure that the way that they produced in mind that mica was done ethically. So just make sure you do your research into the companies you're getting your mica from, okay? And that's it. That was our final ingredient. Super easy, right? 5 basic ingredients will give you this beautiful whip soap that makes the perfect gift for anyone, especially on Valentine's Day. When giving your whip soap away as a gift, you want to make sure it's visually appealing. So of course the color helps with that, but also when you're piping in your product, you can give it different styles and looks to really draw in the beauty of the product. So I wanted to keep this very simple. I myself am not really good at piping, so I wanted to think about those of you who want to do DIYs who probably are not that good at piping either. So I wanted to keep this very, very simple, and I just did basically like layers. It wasn't as great as I wanted it to be. I'm gonna definitely keep practicing with the layers, but I still like how it came out, and I just kind of played and flip-flopped the colors, and that's how I got this look. So here are the final results for our 5 ingredient rose whip soap. What do you guys think? Definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And now I'm just going to do a quick little foaming test just to show you guys all the wonderful creamy bubbles this whip soap produces. You only need a little bit to really get that beautiful bubbly goodness that you're looking for in your whipped soap. It's just so much fun. I just really enjoy making these, whether they're scrubs or bath whips. It's just so much fun, and you could be as creative as you like. So I'm just going to show you guys using this loofah. Loofahs are kind of a cheat because they just really help anything you use foam up so well. But honestly guys, I'm telling you, this gives so much foam and bubbles. They're dense and beautiful. I really love them, and you could just see here, no matter how much I squeezed and played around with this, it kept giving. Okay, I'm just telling you, about time I got done playing with this, I could not stop playing with this. But once I got done playing with this, it was like overflowing with foam and bubbles. So you're definitely going to get a lot of fun out of this one. If you're someone who loves being creative and love learning new things, you will absolutely love Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity or just learn a new skill. Invest in yourself for your business or for personal growth. On my creative journey with Skillshare, I've been trying to improve my thumbnails on YouTube. I want to make them a little bit more appealing and a little bit more professional. I found a class by Daniel Scott. He teaches you how to use Photoshop to enhance your photos, thumbnails, and advertisements. This was perfect for me because I use Photoshop all the time for my thumbnails. With this course, I learned new ways to enhance my thumbnails using Photoshop. The classes are short, well organized, and easy to navigate. And I have confidence in knowing that the experts who I'm learning from are experts in their field and actually work in their field. If you would love to join this creative community, there is a 1-month free trial for the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link down below. Let's start 2022 exploring and discovering new ways to enhance our already wonderful creativity and learning new skills. To thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel, I'm giving away these 3 rose whip soaps. Check the description box down below for your chance to enter to win. Also follow me on Instagram, you can enter there as well. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because it's the only way you can keep up with the videos I'm coming up with. I got many more for you guys coming up. Super easy, simple DIYs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Side by side, unafraid of what we get.